everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time to print new coupons from the coupons.com website. Now, I always tell you guys to go through Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then every coupon that I use at stores, I actually get 25 points for every coupon that I use at stores. So definitely use my referral link. You guys can get bonus points. And then what I do is I print my coupons here, so I print it off, and then I actually go to mypoints.com on a different browser, and I use my husband's phone number, and I print off more coupons. So, because usually for coupons.com you can only print 2 per account. Some of them you can only print 1. But that's what I do. So I get paid, and I'm going to be doing a Christmas video for you guys soon on how I have a free Christmas. But let me show you guys new coupons to print. So they added this $1 off of one take note. Now I do know we have some coupons in inserts that we have, but I'm not sure when they expire. But it's still a good coupon just to have for that. They do have some Kellogg's coupons available if you guys are interested in those deals, because there is going to be a deal at Walgreens this weekend if you guys are interested in that. It just depends. Now I think they just added the Sweet and Low. You got a 50-cent off of Sweet and Low. I'm just going to print that off. You never know when you need it. And then we have a $1 off any 2 Slim Fast. That is a new coupon. I think the $2 off Alive is a new coupon. And then we got Pepperoni. That's a new coupon. And here is an awesome coupon, you guys. $3 off Persil discs. I love Persil. Like, I'm a huge fan of Persil. That's my laundry detergent, so printing that off. Here is a $1.50 off Mazzetta sauce. I'm just going to print that off just in case I see a good deal. I think my husband likes those kind. But then there are some other coupons that you guys need to print if you haven't already, if you guys plan on doing this deal at Walgreens this weekend. Starting Sunday. Sorry, I'm just skipping through. But make sure you guys print off, like, there's a $1 off of 2 for Corn Pops or Apple Jack, so that's actually a good coupon. And then there's a $1 off of 3 for Pop Tarts. And then there's also a $1 off of 2 for Frosted Mini Wheats or Raisin Bran. So those are actually better coupons, I think, than the 5 off of, or the 3 off of 5. Or no, the 3 off of 5 is actually a better coupon. But just sharing with you guys that, but these are the ones that are still available if you guys haven't printed those off. So definitely print these coupons off if you haven't. I mean, it's only August 8th, and look at how many coupons we've had. Great coupons, you guys. So just letting you guys know on coupons to print, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.